How to grow your Etsy store. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are about to provide you with a step-by-step tutorial that we can follow to grow up our Etsy stores. So here is a clear and practical roadmap. So when we head over to Etsy and when we are trying to list out a product, for example, let's say this is a product. So make sure it's on a clear niche. So do not sell any random items, only pick up a niche like digital planners, wedding templates, stickers, wall art, or only toys, something like this, and small business templates. Etsy ranks the niche focus shops higher because they look specialized. And for every listing, while you're trying to list out the product, make sure that you're using keyword, high keyword for the product. Fill all the 13 tags and always add up a strong mockups and write a very clear benefited description, write a very clear description, something like this, and not just get clicks, but many people buy. And always upload more products. So go ahead and upload as much as a product that you can upload. You can start with 10 to 20 listing if you're a beginner, and successful shops often have 50 plus listing because more listing is equal to more chances to appear in the search. So go ahead and do so. And always use the SEO very carefully and smartly because research keywords buyers actually search, and use long tail keywords, less competition, and that should work out for you. You can always, while you're specifying the product, use a very clear instructions, a clear image, and even provide in TikTok, Reels, Instagram, because external traffic also boosts the selling. So you need to just go ahead and do so, and that way you should be able to sell it. So that's it everybody. For now you can follow out this method. So we hope this video was helpful. Make sure to give this video a like and subscribe for more.